Hi there! Here's the newly launched Fire Boltt Quest, and you can buy it right now for only $1,999. Just like the Fire Boltt Expedition, this one too comes with built-in GPS, Bluetooth calling, tons of sports modes and so much more. Now I know, a lot of people are confused which one to pick as both of these are priced exactly the same. Well, don't worry. We'll show you both side by side and share our experiences so you can decide which one is perfect for you. By the way, I highly recommend you watch the Fire Boltt Expedition review video first. You can click the card up here. You'll also find the link in the description. Let's start with the Quest unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the watch here. Comes with inbuilt GPS. Towards the back, you can see some of its key features. The QR code for the companion The Outfit app. Towards the bottom, you can see the manufacturing details and the MRP of $21,999. Let's quickly open it up. So right on the top is the watch itself. Some paperwork that includes the warranty card, some coupons from Bookmyshow, and the user manual. And finally, a pogo pin charging cable that magnetically aligns and attaches to the watch charging terminals. The magnet grip is pretty strong, so it won't snap off easily. Alright, let's have a closer look at the watch, and first we'll get rid of the screen protector. There you go. Wow, this white color looks absolutely gorgeous. First look at it and it reminds you of the Casio G-Shock or the Amazfit T-Rex 2. Very rugged design. Now the frame is made of polycarbonate but still feels and looks really solid. If you look on the side here, you can spot 3 buttons, one on the top, one at the bottom and in the center. The center one is actually a rotatory dial which is going to help you in navigation. Very cool. Overall, the straps also quality is really nice. Soft silicone strap with a textured design. Check this out. Comes with a buckle design with a double loop, which means it will provide a really good grip on your wrist. Moving towards the back is made of plastic and it houses the heart rate sensor, SPD sensor and the charging terminals up here. If you look closely, you can also spot the speaker here, which is going to assist you for phone calls. Really amazing and good looking watch. Now let's quickly compare it side by side with the Fire Boltt Expedition. The black one is Fire Boltt Expedition, the white one is Fire Boltt Quest. Now apart from the color, there are slight differences in the design. If you look closely, here you can see the Fire Boltt branding, while here the Fire Boltt branding is not there. But overall the design language is very similar. Check that out. In fact, if you look at the straps, they are absolutely identical. They have the same double loop straps. Check that out. And if you see on the side here, you can spot it has the same 3 button placement, one on the top and bottom and one in the center. Both are rotatory dials for navigation. There is a slight difference in design, but overall they look very similar. Really nice, super well built watches. Now both these watches come with IP67 rating, so it's dust and water resistant. You can wear it at the gym, you can wear it for a run, you can wear it in the rain. In fact, you can even wear it in the pool as these watches come with swim tracking on board. So cool. Alright, let's have a closer look at the display. Now as you press this button, the display will wake up. You press this button, the display will turn off. Now this is a 1.39-inch LCD display with a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels. It looks really nice, crisp and clear. Here you can see that every detail is so clearly visible. And of course, if you want to change watch faces, you simply rotate this crown. And there are some really good watch faces that look perfect on the smartwatch. Check that out. Of course, you can download tons more from the app as well. Now, just to give you a quick idea about the bezels, there are 0 bezels on this display. It goes edge to edge, leaving no black spaces at all. Really cool. Also, the interface is very smooth. Check that out. Very smooth, responsive. Not a single touch is missed. Super smooth. It's almost 60 Hz, I can say. Amazing. Now, quickly comparing the Expedition next to it and you are going to be surprised. It's absolutely identical. Just the exact same interface and the user experience. I mean, it's just the exact same watch. It feels so similar. This too is 1.39-inch, 360 by 360, and this one too is exactly the same. They have the same resolution, they have the same user experience, they have the same menu style, they have everything identical between them. Now we wore both these watches outdoors during the day and check out the brightness. It's so clearly visible. I know no one wears 2 watches on the same wrist, but just to give you an idea, they look so nice and vibrant. Now if you want to deep dive into the interface for the Quest, I suggest you watch the Fire Boltt Expedition video. The user interface is exactly identical, and if you watch that video, you'll get a complete idea of how the Quest is going to look. Meanwhile, let's check out phone calling. So to make phone calls from this watch, go to the menu and go to the phone call app. Here you'll see recent call, you'll see dial pad and contacts. When you go to dial pad, you can randomly we are dialing a number and clicking dial. There you can see the phone call is being made. Now the audio you're hearing right now is actually from the watch speaker. It's pretty loud and clear. You can transfer this call to the phone, you can control the volume, and you can end the call directly from the watch itself. And similarly, you can also receive incoming calls and talk directly on a smartwatch. There is a vibration alert, you can see the caller's number, you can silent the incoming call, you can reject the call, and you can answer the call. You can answer and talk directly using a smartwatch. It's so convenient. You can mute the microphone on the watch, you can transfer this call to the phone, you can also control the speaker volume and end the call after you're done. So convenient. Talking about the phone calling experience. Well, the speaker on the Quest was definitely louder than the Expedition, though not very drastic, but still noticeable. We used it indoors and it was super clear. Outdoors, you might have to bring the watch a little closer to here. The mics do a really good job as the other person didn't complain of any echo or disturbance. If I had to compare the two, I would say that the Quest is slightly better for phone calling as the speaker is louder. When it comes to fit and comfort, the straps provide a really good grip on the wrist, and though the watch might seem bulky, it's actually pretty light. Can be worn even to bed to track your sleep. By the way, for those who have already seen my videos, already know that I love white watches, and this one is my new favorite. Just love the build, design, and the milky white color. So cool. Coming to health monitoring. So we tested the heart rate and SpO2 on both these watches. The Fire Boltt Quest first, and then the Fire Boltt Expedition. The results were almost identical, but keep in mind these are just smartwatches. So use these readings just for your reference and not for medical purposes. Coming to fitness and workouts. So the Fire Boltt Quest comes with over 120 plus workout modes. Plus, you get built-in GPS support. To access workouts, press this button at the bottom. You'll see GPS walking, GPS running, GPS cycling, GPS trail running, GPS on foot. Then you have walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football. Yes, there's also sim support on this watch, which comes very, very handy. Then there's climbing, there's tennis, there's rugby, golf, yoga, fitness, dancing, indoor cycling. My God, there's a huge list. Click this plus sign, then you have popular sports, water sports, outdoor activities, training, dance workouts, combat sports, ball sports, winter sports, recreational sports, and other sports. Huge list. Now we wanted to start a GPS workout, so we went to the GPS walking option, and let me tell you that we got a fix on the GPS really quickly. We used it for a quick outdoor workout. You can find pretty detailed readings on the app itself along with the map. This is so amazing. All the details at your fingertips. Coming to the battery. So both the Quest and Expedition come with 300 mAh battery and last you for about 5 to 7 days easily. But if you use it with Bluetooth calling and GPS workouts, then that number would be a lot lesser. But typically you should get 4 to 5 days. Let's have a quick look at the Dafit Companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see your health and workout related data. You have all the steps, you have sleep tracking, heart rate, blood oxygen levels. In the second option, you can use the phone's GPS to track your outdoor workout, but the best part is the watch itself comes with GPS, and if you have used the GPS, you can actually track your outdoor workouts even more accurately along with the map. All the details of your workout will be available here. This is so handy. Then if you go to the next option here, you can see the battery percentage. You can start changing the watch faces directly from here. Check that out. These are the ones that come pre-installed. Then in notifications, you can choose from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then cricket match scores, find device, set alarms, shutter, e-card option. In other options, you can choose time format, you can control the music, scene mode, weather, continuous heart rate detection. Then you have menstrual cycle tracking for women, drink water reminder, hygiene assist. Then if you come to the last option here, you can actually share all your workout data with Google Fit. So even in the future, if you replace your device or change your device, all your workout data is always backed up. Really good. The Dafit app is really simple and easy to use. Alright, final thoughts. So frankly, I don't see much difference between these two watches. The interface and the features are just the same. Both come with built-in GPS and the exact same price, 1999. The design, however, is slightly altered so that you can differentiate the two from each other. The color options also are a little different, like the beige and orange options are only available for the Expedition, while white and red is only available for the Quest. For 1999, you can pick either of these watches. Though we aren't sure if these prices are going to hold for long, so go buy it right away. I'll share the links of both these watches in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.